Hello and welcome to MyHR Storage. We've built MyHR Storage as a tool for insurance agents to build comprehensive benefit portals for employers and employees to be able to access all kinds of information that they need on a daily basis. Insurance agents build these benefit portals via the cloud at our unique site, myhrstorage.com. When I sign into the system, this is what I'm going to see initially. To build out your benefit portal for a client, we've tried to make it easy. You simply go over to Clients, and our Express Setup is the easiest way of setting up a benefit portal. You click on that and you enter in your basic information wherever there is a red asterisk. So I'm just going to enter in some fictitious data, choosing the minimum required fields. We need to put in the HR manager's first name and their email address. And at the bottom, we tell you, follow the next step, click Express Setup. The next step, which we automatically know who the client is that we're working on, we can set up ownership, reminders, resources. Resources allows the insurance agent to create customized file folders for each specific client. Inside those folders, you can upload documents, forms, hyperlinks, anything you want to allow employees to be able to see that. You could click on Personalize and upload the client logo or create tickers for them to look at. Once you've completed each one of these steps, you hit the next step. And then once we're there, we look at our plan year. We click on New, type in the start date and the end date of our plan year. And I'm just going to choose January the 1st to the end of the year. Click Submit. We've created our plan year. That easy. Express Setup, Step 3. From here, we know that we're working on our group, AAA. We know they're in Ohio. Simply choose our carrier from the list. Choose our type of coverage. Choose the benefit summary that you're going to upload. I'll just call it medical. Click Browse to find what you want to upload. If you're going to upload more than one document, just hit Submit Multiple. If you're only uploading one benefit summary, just hit Submit Product. Once you've done that, we'll take you to the last step, automatically going to assign client benefits specifically for AAA that we were just working on. Now, we assigned that benefit document underneath the state of Ohio, so we have to go out and choose that. And when we do, there's our customized benefit at a glance we uploaded. In order to assign it to our client AAA, we just click Medical. Automatically fills in there. If you know your policy number, enter that. It defaults to today's date. Put in the correct renewal date for this specific line of coverage, which we know is the beginning of the year. Add in your composite or non-composite rates through a spreadsheet. Choose your waiting period. Hit Select. If you have more than one benefit summary that you want to upload, you can do that now. If not, and there's only one, just go to the bottom and hit Finish Express Setup. You've just finished creating your benefit portal for AAA. You would then go into our system and actually upload all of your employee demographic information. So you come over to Employee Admin, AAA. We click on New. And by the way, we do have the ability, we can import in all of our employees through a spreadsheet, or we can add them in one at a time. Underneath the General tab, these are the fields of information that we capture to. So we type in New Employee. And once again, I'm just going to put in the minimum required fields. We know that she's a young lady. We know she's in Ohio. Email. And of course, we use fictitious email addresses. You can put in her date of hire, any of this other information. Her classification, she is a full-time employee. At the bottom, we can put in dependent information or miscellaneous information. That's a place where you can store anything you want in this employee. And only the agency will be able to see it. When you're done with that employee, click Submit. And you've just added in Jill Smith. The only other step before you have a fully functioning benefit portal is to come over to Employees and assign benefits. For this step, you're going to want to pull out a census and or a bill from the carrier showing you the lines of coverage and what the employee is paying for out of their paycheck. So LOC is line of coverage. We only have medical. Product, that's our medical plan that we uploaded. Type of coverage, just about every type of coverage you can figure out. Let's just say that Jill has employee-only coverage. If we know what network Jill will be using through Anthem, we can go ahead and choose that, which we do. The effective date may or may not be today's date, and we know that it's not. In this case, it's January 1st, 2015, so we change that. Hit select. No matter how many employees we have, they'd all appear here alphabetically, whether it's 1 or 500. The decision that you have to make is who has medical, that particular plan, employee-only coverage. Let's say that Jill does. So we assign the benefit to her, hit submit, and we've just finished creating that benefit portal, not only for the employer, but for the employee as well. The agent can come over to clients, username and password, go out to AAA, click on our impersonate feature, and we can go out and see the benefit portal that we just created for AAA. Now, if we'd taken the time to load in their logo, it would appear there. The employer has the ability to click on any of these tabs. If they want to look at My Employees, there's Jill. If they want to go out and look at her benefits at a glance that are assigned to 1 or more employees there, we can go out and see that information. If benefits were assigned to the employees, you go out and run the employee election report, and it would show here if we assign those benefits. As the employer, we can always go out to My Company, go down to username and password, and actually find the username and password for the employee and then provide that information to that employee. We hope you've enjoyed this demonstration today. If you have questions, please be sure to contact Brett Spinks at 888-624-4878. Thank you so much. Have a great day.